Hi Noah. Do you like Uno?
Hola, señorita.
Do you like Uno?
Yeah?
Yeah? Okay, I like that too. Don't forget to mop the floor after. Huh?
That was a part of that.
Oh, come on.
Hi.
Hi Noah.
Hi.
You like Uno?
Yeah, but this wasn't part of the bed.
Yeah, I know, but you know. Okay, Noah, what do you think about poker?
It's a pretty good game. Even though, you know, making the bed, I would never make that bed.
That was a prize pool, huh? You bet that, so.
Oh, God.
Hey Noah,
Yeah?
what do you think about the game Uno?
It's pretty good, even though this wasn't part of the bet, you know.
Do you need some practice?
No, not really.
Not really, you sure?
This wasn't part of the bet.
Hey Noah,
Hi.
what do you think about Uno and poker?
They're pretty good games, but this wasn't part of the bet. You know. Yeah.
You want some coaching or something? Hi Noah,
Hi.
how do you like Uno?
I'm pretty good. This wasn't part of the bet though.
Yeah, we love when you come here. You know that, huh?
But it wasn't part of the bet. You just told me to sit here right in front of the camera cleaning dishes.
Yeah.
Seriously, that's what you told me to do. You gotta be real, Manu.